It is fascinating how the transportation industry has evolved over the years, from moving on foot and riding on animals to moving on little bikes over several kilometers. There is now even the option of living in the comfort of a home as you travel. Yes, that is exactly the kind of possibility a motorhome provides. Say goodbye to the Stone Age when transportation was limited and inconveniences were the order of the day. We are now in a time when living luxuriously is possible even while traveling. These spectacular vehicles are more than just modes of transportation. They are mobile mansions designed to provide unparalleled comfort, style, and freedom. They are changing the way we see life on wheels. Today we are going to explore 15 luxurious motorhomes that will blow your mind. Keep in mind that we are not just talking about cars, but about the future of transportation as we know it. Number 1 will knock you off your seat. Number 15, Prevost H3345. If the word luxurious was a car, then the Prevost X345 is certainly the expression of it. That is why it has a price tag of $1.5 million to match. At nearly 50 feet long with marble floors, a custom-designed interior, and opulent finishes, the Prevost H345 is only for the high-end mighty. A Cummins diesel engine powers this bad boy, so you never have to worry about power while exploring the road in style. On the inside is a fully sized refrigerator and a fully equipped kitchen, which means you can whip up something on the go. The H345 is surely worth its price tag. Number 14, MCI J4500. The MCI J4500 is 44 feet long, just a little short of the Prevost H345. But that does not mean it is inferior in quality. This beast is a marvel of engineering, with its stainless steel frame and polished aluminum skin. The best thing about the MCI 4500 is its customizability. You can choose from various floor plans, color schemes, and furniture options, making your motorhomes luxurious and personalized. That's not even to mention the hand-stitched leather upholstery and the hardwood cabinetry. With a $2 million price tag, the MCI 4500 is designed for those who want the best of everything. Number 13, Tiffin Allegro Bus. If you have ever been on the Tiffin Allegro Bus, you will understand why it is a favorite among full-timers and luxury travelers. It has a spacious living area and high-end kitchen appliances, making it a true home away from home. Not to mention the other optional features like a washer and dryer, fireplace, and residential-style shower. The Allegro Bus also comes with a range of advanced safety features, including a backup camera, blind spot monitoring, and a tire pressure monitoring system, which makes it cost $1.2 million. Number 12, Winnebago Grand Tour. The Winnebago Grand Tour is a stunning work of art on wheels. It is a motorhome that exudes sophistication and elegance. On the inside, you will find high-end appliances, aesthetically pleasing fabrics, and a variety of entertainment options to keep you comfortable and entertained on even the longest road trips. It also has a 50-gallon fuel tank, which means you can travel hundreds of miles before needing to refuel. With all these features, it is a shocker that it sold for $1 million. When placed side by side with motorhomes of its caliber, it is a real steal. Number 11, Integra Coach Odyssey. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to be in a movable 5-star hotel? That is exactly what the Integra Coach Odyssey offers. Just imagine being able to carry the luxury of a 5-star hotel to every city you visit. You would certainly like to travel more. The Odyssey is not just pretty, it is also incredibly functional. Its spacious floor plans offer ample storage space, making it possible to pack as much as you would like for your trip. It also has a very powerful engine and an advanced suspension to tackle even the most difficult terrain with relative ease. But all these features do not come cheap. It is priced at $1.2 million, which is okay for the features it packs. Number 10, Gulfstream Constellation. The Gulfstream Constellation is priced at $1.2 million, just like the Odyssey. But the only difference is the elegant high-end finishes. Traveling in a Constellation is like traveling in a palace with a spacious bedroom and a king-sized bed. It is also fitted with LED lighting and a high-tech entertainment system, which makes it a joy to ride. Number 9, Travel IH45. The Travel IH45 is a motorhome that embodies the spirit of luxury and refinement. This sleek and stylish coach features a stunning exterior with sleek lines and an elegant interior that would make every traveler feel right at home. That is why it commands a price as high as $1.5 million. The IH45 is a true masterpiece, with a master bedroom that features plush bedding, spacious closets, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom. Number 8. Marathon Coach. The Marathon Coach is the pinnacle of luxury on wheels, so it is no wonder that it has a price tag as high as $2.5 million. It is a showcase of exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail. It boasts a custom-built chassis and handcrafted interiors, not to mention its state-of-the-art entertainment system, top-notch appliances, and spacious living areas. With all these features, it is no wonder that this motorhome is a favorite among travelers, and rightfully so. Number 7. Liberty Coach Elegant Lady. When you talk about elegance and sophistication, the Elegant Lady checks all the boxes. Inside, the Elegant Lady is a showcase of opulence and comfort. Its spacious living area features plush leather seating, handcrafted furnishings, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. If you consider its gourmet kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops which make it easy to whip up a delicious meal on the go, its $2.5 million price tag should not bother you because it is worth it. Number 6. Newell Coach. Take a guess at where this was made. Miami, Oklahoma to be precise. Not to hype it, but this motorhome was built by hand using quality materials, which makes it the face of craftsmanship and luxury. This coach also comes with advanced technology like an advanced climate control system, a high-tech entertainment system, and an automated system for security, lighting, and more. It is no wonder that it goes for a price of $2 million, which makes it quite expensive. But if you have the cash, then I highly recommend it. Number 5. Monaco Dynasty. Talk about the finer things of life. The Monaco Dynasty perfectly exemplifies that. Equipped with advanced technology like state-of-the-art sound systems, high-definition TVs, and a powerful generator for off-the-grid camping, the Monaco Dynasty is certainly a perfect home away from home for those who demand the best. Going for $1.5 million, with high-end fixtures, the Monaco Dynasty is a true work of art. Number 4. Prevost X345. Talk about a car with an aerodynamic, sleek exterior design. That is the X345. This coach is a true head-turner on the road, which means you will be getting a lot of attention on the road. You may even attract some ladies, which must be fun. It is also packed with cutting-edge technology and advanced engineering. The X345 is priced at $2 million, but before you doubt it, also check out its entertainment and safety features. Number 3. Newman King Air. As the name implies, this motorhome is truly fit for royalty. With its regal styling, sumptuous furnishings, and advanced technology, this coach is truly a marvel of luxury and comfort. Priced at just $1 million, the King Air is engineered for performance and has a powerful engine. Driving in one of these should be a pleasure. Number 2. Fleetwood Discovery LXE. The Fleetwood Discovery LXE happens to be the cheapest coach on our list, going for just $400,000, but that does not mean it is of lesser quality than the others. The Discovery LXE is a motorhome that embodies the best of American craftsmanship and innovation. It has a spacious living area and a plush master suite. This coach is a real joy that comes very cheap. Number 1. Marquee Mobile Element Palazo. I know that name sounds funny, but this coach packs some very serious features and is also very expensive at $3 million. The Palazo redefines the meaning of luxury and extravagance with a level of luxury that is unmatched by any other motorhome on the market. That is all for this video. I can promise you that these are the best and most luxurious motorhomes you can find. But we would like to hear about the ones you know, so leave us a comment. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.